All right, here we go.
This is Suite 13706.
Follow me.
That's right, 13.
13. I prefer saying 13706. Oh my gosh.
Can you believe this?
Look at this. We got two hangers here.
So upon entry, this is immediately to the left.
Do not disturb button here. Make room up here. Two little buttons.
Great.
And we walk into the living room.
Scooch out of the way for a sec, babe, so I can show them the whole living room.
This is where we can...
Scooch out of the way for a sec so I can show them the whole living room.
This is where we can have room service right here, or have guests coming here. By the way, Laurie's folks are here.
And we got a bottle of champagne.
There's a bottle of champagne
waiting for us. And we don't even have a drinks package or anything, so you get that.
No, they just threw that in. This is a huge sofa.
How's the sofa? It looks comfortable.
Oh my gosh, it is comfortable. I mean, it's the most comfortable sofa I've ever sat on a ship.
And if Gary pisses me off, we can just turn it into his bed.
I haven't sat in these. Let me see what these are like. Yeah, this is nice. I wish I had this in our apartment. This is so great.
Hey, babe, I think, does that right there, I think that opens up. Is there some storage in there?
Yeah.
Oh, it's just a hard surface, so you can use it as a...
No.
Oh, there is, sir. Okay, awesome. And then we have another one like that. Great.
Right under here. And when you open the drawers, you just press on them, and they come out.
Anything in any of those drawers?
Press on them, and they come out.
Ooh.
Security guide, global directory.
Nice.
Press this. Comes out. And come on now. There's one here, one here, one here. Not a lot of space here. A lot of drawers over there as well.
Okay.
Lots of space.
Let's just show them what we got over here first. So we have two waters for Being Gold. That's a shame they changed the water brands. It used to be that box water, which was so good.
It was good. Oh, yeah.
And a little room service. And room service is included with your Haven suite, so you don't have to pay an extra fee for room service. And some more information.
Room service, mini bar, menu.
Yeah.
Right there. Let's check out the balcony.
The balcony. So the balcony.
Small balcony,
Yeah.
but I like it. And these are nice, comfortable chairs. At least, let me see. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Nice chairs.
So it is kind of a port. Oh, our door's ringing. We were in the middle of showing you guys the balcony, and we got a little doorbell ring because apparently we have a doorbell, and we got some fresh fruit. So
Fresh fruit. That's going to be a daily thing, by the way.
Compliments of the captain. Yeah, I'm sure he said, "Oh, Laurie and Gary, let's give them this."
Compliments of Simon Grossi, Captain Norwegian Breakaway. Thank you, Simon Grossi. Anyway, what I was showing you is the balcony. And look at this view that we have right here in New York City before we shove off. We have a view of a World War II aircraft carrier and a World War II submarine. The aircraft carrier is what was the name of it?
Intrepid.
The Intrepid, yeah.
So, trying to get it's small, but the furniture is really good quality. You can see it's a wicker chair and a nice soft cushion.
It is a good quality. It's very comfortable. Very comfortable.
All right. It is chilly, so
yeah. Let me shut this door, babe.
Okay. And then we got to see what's this way.
Okay. This is room number 1.
Wait, no, babe. You left a whole corner.
Wait a minute.
You haven't even begun to crack the
This
surface.
is the kitchenette. I call it the kitchenette.
We got an espresso.
Yeah, ice maker. I mean, there's ice in there.
Perfect.
2 more bottles of water. And that's a daily thing.
We got some glasses, some mugs.
Oh, this is so nice.
Let's see. Let's check out all the storage space here. Oh, okay. Maybe I'll use that as my closet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Storage.
Storage.
Gowns.
Perfect.
Whatever you want to do there.
Okay. What's going on here?
Look at this. Just everywhere is storage space. That's the fridge.
Fridge. The mini bar. Their handles to the right, babe. The handles to the right.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's not free.
No, we don't get that.
Ooh, what's this?
Trash.
Oh, good.
Yeah, well,
Trash.
right there. Yeah, cool. And
What about that drawer above it?
this drawer?
Yeah. Just a little
Little
drawer.
teeny tiny drawer.
Yeah.
When we leave, like almost 2 weeks from now, we're gonna check, and recheck because there's so much storage space.
Crazy.
It is crazy, and we have 2 espresso cups here and 2 regular coffee cups here.
Yeah.
We have wine. We have water glasses here, and 4 wine glasses.
Yes, and one last pan of this part of our penthouse.
Don't you love this?
Forward-facing
Don't you love this?
suite.
Look at that. Don't you love this? Look at that bed.
Very nice indeed.
I love it.
Won't you follow me into the bedroom?
Okay.
So, first of all, most important, there's a door. That's right, there's a door. So in the morning, when Gary is sleeping in, I can close the door. I can play rock music in there. I can party hardy in there. No worries. I'm good to go.
In here, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And same thing at night. Gary can watch movies and he doesn't have to worry about waking me up. It's going to be amazing.
Oh, there. Yeah, there's a TV here, which we forgot to point out. And as I walk in here.
Come on in, babe. Well, first we got temperature control right here. And we got a bunch of light buttons, which we got to still fidget with those.
We got to figure out what they do.
Yeah. All right. And then as you come in, you can come on in. You got a ton of storage space right here.
Show us.
So you know it. So first, you got a bunch of shelves, a bunch of drawers. All of these are empty, ready for your clothes.
Good Lord. And there's one down below.
Yeah.
There's 2 down
they're
below.
all drawers.
2 down below. So much storage space.
Secondly, then you have a big old closet.
With robes that are...
robes. And the robes are so soft. Now, these aren't to keep forever, but you can wear them while you're on vacation.
And they say Haven on the front of it.
Yeah,
right?
they say Haven on the front. And you guys, I can't explain the softness to you. It's crazy. They're so soft. And they're fuzzy on the inside. Amazing.
What kind of material is that, would you say?
Fuzz? I don't know. It's so good. All right. Now remember, you guys, the Breakaway is an older ship. She has been refurbished, but unfortunately, there does not appear to be any outlets on this side of the bed, which that's a bummer. We brought an extension cord though. I don't know if you're allowed to have it or not, actually, but don't tell on us. But you have another big old drawer here, another shelving area.
So much
And then you
space.
have the phone. And I even double checked the phone to see if there was a USB, because sometimes the phones have a USB area and there does not appear to be. So just know that it's an older ship. She doesn't have USB or plugins on both sides of the beds yet.
This is a king size bed, by the way.
This is a king bed. Loving all the pillows. And of course, Norwegian has some of the best beds at sea.
Go this way first.
All right.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, another TV. Another TV.
Yes.
Right
and
there.
let's check out. Do you want to check out some of the movies available?
All right.
All right. So let's see. So normally in a regular room, the movies would not be included. The movies are included in the Haven. They don't have as big a selection as some of the other ships. Ooh, wrong button. I see. Movies. I was at entertainment.
There you go. There you go. Movies. Yeah.
So she usually doesn't have as many movies as some of the other ships, like, I mean, as like princess, but
Yeah, Princess is the
but
best.
she does have newer movies. So like there you have Freakier Friday, which recently came out on, you know, I was going to say video, like it was 1980s. But right now it's 2026. These are, some of them are newer selections. So, and you get a pretty decent.
Oh, we just saw Naked Gun.
Oh, yeah, we just watched that. We should have waited.
We didn't know.
We didn't know. I heard The Long Walk is good.
We'll have to have a movie day.
Yeah, we're going to have a movie day. You know it. Ooh, I really want to see Caught Stealing.
Okay.
All right, we're good to go. So,
Okay.
yeah, so movies are included, and they have a bunch of newer movies out. So
There's 23
great.
movies altogether. It says 18 of 23 right there.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we'll definitely have a
Yeah,
movie
we'll
day.
have some good options here.
Okay.
All right.
Over there first. Over here first. Yeah.
So now on the other side of the bed, you have one plug-in, and of course these are more lighting buttons and stuff. We'll have to mess around with those later. Another large drawer, another open area for you to store stuff, and a little couchy cushion thing where if you don't want to sit here and gaze out the window, you can pull that over. And this is this is forward facing. So it's a forward facing window.
Yeah, and matter of fact, there is the bow of the ship right there. The very front of the ship.
But it's got full on coverage
Yeah, and
to block out.
Yeah, it's got a blackout down
Yes,
there too.
which is great.
Yeah.
And then look at all of this storage. Back up, baby.
Yeah.
We have a ton more storage here. Huge drawers. I should have packed like 20 suitcases.
I've never seen so much storage space.
I've never seen so much
and
storage.
more over there. I mean, yeah.
And then even more storage. So why don't you go around?
Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh.
Go to that side of the bed.
Yeah. I mean,
So even more storage over here. Another closet. Another set of shelves.
and what's underneath there, babe?
Underneath, more shelves and your safe. So
Oh,
your
yeah. There's the safe. I was wondering where that was. Well, there it is.
safe is in the bedroom.
And we'll save. Now it's time to explore the bathroom.
All right. So the bathroom has a curtain to cover it up, but that's okay because
That's quite all right. Yeah.
there's separate doors for the toilet and for the shower, and you get a big old tub. Huge.
Double sinkage. Look at that. Double sinkage.
2 sinks, more storage underneath the sink. So there's a shelf for towels. What is this? Ooh, another little trash can area. More
storage.
More storage. Tissues.
And look, the little light down here, babe.
And
The little night light right here.
oh, perfect. And Loctane. I don't know how to pronounce it. Do you guys do? No. Let us know in the comments. So,
We heard it was top shelf stuff, so I'm going to take their word.
and then we're always talking about how there's free tissues in the videos, but do we talk about free cotton balls?
Free cotton balls, though.
A ring light mirror for me. Another outlet, and you have a European in here as well. So this is the first European we've seen. You got a hair dryer here, and that looks to be like a good hair dryer. It doesn't look like your average, crappy old ship hair dryer. And another trash can.
Yeah.
All right.
There.
Now, why don't you...
Shelf space up here.
Yeah, more shelf space. And then here's the toilet. You can go in there, babe.
Yeah. There it is. Oh, I'm trying to keep this as steady as possible. Don't you love that vase? I'm loving that vase. Anyway, back out the toilet area. And let's check
here's
out.
some hooks for your towels, which is great. Hooks for your towels. And then here's the shower area. And you guys, It's a sit-down shower.
It's a sit-down shower. And it's got, look at this. It's got, okay, one of these things, so you can do wherever you want to put that. And it's got, this is what I like, a shower, like a rain shower head, which is so cool. And
why don't you got to show them the products. So good.
Top shelf products. What are they? Look, I can't.
Loctane. Lacetane.
Okay, I'll accept that. And I don't know what that shelf is for behind you, but there it is.
So, shampoo, conditioner.
Oh yeah.
Anyway, you guys, let's end with a wide shot of the tub because you got more towel storage back here.
Right.
And then, not to gross you guys out, but I think there's room for 2 in this tub. So.
Yeah, I've been thinking about that actually. Yeah.
So that is our forward-facing Haven Suite. What do you guys think of it? Please let us know in the comments below. Also, if you have any questions at the time of posting this, I think we're still going to be on the cruise. So let us know as well so we can answer for you. If you have any questions about being in the Haven on this ship or being in a suite on this ship. That's all for now. Until the next time, we want you to live your best cruise life. Bye.
Bye, guys.